Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious garlic pickle. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 250 grams of fresh garlic cloves, peeled and ready. Also, prepare 1/2 cup of mustard oil, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and your chosen spices. Remember, cleanliness is key, so ensure all your jars and utensils are perfectly clean and completely dry before you begin this exciting culinary journey. Now let's get our ingredients ready for maximum flavor. If you have larger garlic cloves, simply slice them in half. This helps them absorb all the wonderful pickling flavors evenly. Next, gently roast your whole spices, such as fenugreek and mustard seeds, until fragrant. Then, grind these roasted spices into a coarse powder, incorporating chili powder and turmeric for that perfect blend of taste and color. It's time to start cooking our pickle base. Begin by heating the 1/2 cup of mustard oil in a pan until it just reaches its smoking point, then let it cool down a bit. Carefully add your prepared garlic cloves to this warm oil, stirring gently to ensure each clove is beautifully coated. Finally, incorporate your aromatic ground spice mixture and salt, mixing everything thoroughly until it's all wonderfully combined. We're almost done. Now, pour the 1/4 cup of vinegar into your pickle mixture, stirring it thoroughly. The vinegar is crucial for both flavor and preservation. Carefully transfer the warm pickle into your sterilized, airtight glass jars, making sure to leave a little headspace at the top. For the best taste, allow your delicious garlic pickle to mature for at least 3 to 5 days before you dive in and enjoy its rich, tangy flavor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.